transform boring vegetables into crispy, crunchy, and delicious pancakes. These pancakes are called yakchaejeon in Korea, where they are a popular snack or meal. Start by grating your vegetables on the coarse side of a box grater. We are using carrot and zucchini, but you could use potato, mushroom, or whatever your favorite vegetables are. Squeeze the grated vegetables into a paper towel to remove as much water as possible, and put into a bowl. Put your spring onion on a chopping board and chop off the roots and any green parts that are turning brown or dry. Chop the spring onions into little rings and add to the veggie bowl. Now for the batter. Add to a bowl the flour, cornstarch, salt, garlic powder, and water. Whisk to combine. It should look thick and gooey. Then add the vegetables and mix until it looks consistent. Now it's time to fry. Add enough oil to cover the bottom of a non-stick pan and heat on a medium heat. You can check if the oil is hot enough by putting a wooden chopstick into it, and little bubbles should form around the base. Carefully add about an ice cream scoop size of batter and spread as thin as possible. Fry for 5 minutes or until golden underneath, then slowly flip over using 2 utensils so that the oil doesn't splash, and fry for another 4 minutes or until golden brown. If it's turning brown too fast, turn the heat down. Once finished, put it on a plate with some paper towel to soak up the extra oil, and repeat for the next pancake. To make the sauce, add to a small bowl soy sauce, water, sesame oil, maple syrup, rice wine vinegar, minced garlic, sesame seeds, and chopped green onions. Stir, and that's it. Chop the pancakes up, dip into the sauce, and enjoy. You will need plain flour, cornstarch, salt, garlic powder, cold water, canola or vegetable oil, 1 zucchini, 1 carrot, 3 to 4 spring onions, soy sauce, sesame oil, agave syrup, rice wine vinegar, a garlic clove, and sesame seeds.